Would you like to be first?
I'll go next.
Okay, and I want a proper bite. Which of you would like to be first?
Would you like to be first?
I'll go next.
Okay, and I want a proper bite. Not one of your rodent nibbles. Proper human adult bite.
I made you sick.
That's okay. It's not the first time.
Oh, the smell of the brand is so strong.
As it should be.
You know when you like, you
It's
ever,
a
you know when you like jump off a cliff, like skydiving or something, and it's
No.
hard to throw yourself over.
I can imagine that would be very hard, but putting my teeth around a simple sandwich is not difficult. Think of something else. Think about your favourite camera.
That was a pathetic noise, seriously. You can. Be strong. Find your inner power animal, which is a tiny little rodent. No. I'm indulging fully in workplace bullying here. Can you hear that? That's the sound of Lucy Brown defiling my bunker with her Huey.